Hi, Dr. Kathy. So in this lesson today, the song that we will be using is the Tree Pack song, which is like the Russian dance song from the Nutcracker, written by Tchaikovsky. It would be taught in a third grade classroom, so it's going to be a lesson for third graders, and it will be connected to their social studies and human and world geography class. So the standard that fits this lesson is California History Standard 3.1, and it reads, students describe the physical and human geography and use maps, tables, graphs, photographs, and charts to organize information about people, places, and environments in a spatial context. So as I mentioned before, this lesson will be focusing on Tchaikovsky's Tree Pack, or the Russian dance, and we will be focusing on form and dynamics in this lesson. So students will first learn the motions for the dance, or for the song, and then perform these motions. And then they will have a chance, through a worksheet that I've attached on Sakai, they will have a chance through this worksheet to learn about Tchaikovsky and make connections from Tchaikovsky and his background and like his upbringing in Russia and the different cities he lived in and taught in and composed in. They'll be able to connect him and those cities to learning about like using map making skills and iconography in maps. So they will be able to practice their map making skills by marking on the maps that are on the worksheet. They'll be able to mark the different locations that he was raised and then moved to and then moved for work. And they'll mark those and then make arrow connections between, to show his journey between those places. And then they will also be asked to use different icons and symbols to create different ones at each location to kind of represent what each city meant in his life, whether it was like his childhood or his educational career or when he was actually producing music. So this is the lesson for today. The actual motions for the dance were inspired by the lively Russian dance. I watched it on YouTube and I've attached the link in the paper on Sakai. And so this dance was inspired by and actually mimic some of the dance moves that the dancers perform in the actual Russian dance in the Nutcracker Ballet. So here are the movements. I hope you enjoy them. Thank you, Dr. Kathy. I hope you enjoyed, and have a great night.